guys, I'm back to another video, and today we're going to be showing you how to get off on the map inside of Monkey Day. I've already done it. I tried. I'm going to show you. First, you want to go to the back rooms. Back rooms, everybody, back rooms.
YouTuber.
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber. Me monkey. Me want monkey. Me want monkey.
Out of the map, okay? I will help you.
And you say, yep, you'll be right there. So what you gonna do? Wait for him. Go right beside him. But the AI is kind of broken now.
Come on, Blue.
You want to be very careful to do this. Then you want to put your hand in the wall.
Come on, Blue.
Put your hand on the wall and then pull in. Then you're right here. Please do this before it patches. Now you should be up here. Do not fall for those holes.
Blue, we made it.
Those holes are a death trap. Now what you want to do is you want to hop right here. Get over here. So like here, right. So like you can load in right here. See those are the mod cosmetics. And if you guys get to them, so this is just a quick tutorial how to get off on the map and get to like the mod area. I'm lucky.
No, I don't want to. What are y'all doing? What y'all doing? That's not how you do it.
Okay,
What are you
wait.
doing?
Making sure
What are you doing?
that I'm loaded in.
You're loading the water. Got in?
Yeah.
I don't want to fall out the map.
Yeah, you sure don't. Did you seriously just... Yes. Oh, I cannot. No. If I fall, I'm doomed. So, Stinky Winky Teletubby. What you gonna do? Yep. Oh, I swear, if I fall out right now. If your arms are a little bit tired, just cool them up a little bit. Oh, what we're gonna do? Oh. Okay, I was lucky. I had my elbow. I had my elbow to help. I had my headset. My headset was kind of up a little bit. So, what you wanna do now is you gotta do here. This is one of my favorite things, just sitting for fun. I hope you guys will like this tutorial, how to do it. No way. We'll be right back. Which I messed that up terribly. So I had to have one hand out. Okay, so everybody 4 steps.
Let's go!
I learned this from somebody, and I hope you guys like this.
Why is the entity so fast?
Because they made the AI super fast so you can escape it and get to level 2.
AI is so fast.
Okay, so
Let's go.
put our hand inside the wall. Pull out. Pull. Okay. So you want to put your hand on the wall where you can feel it. Jump up right here until you get to this platform. Boom, put your hand on it. Bruh.
Let's go.
They're not the world that is red. I see the world that's red. That was the word, Captain.
No, I'm back in. No.
Is it loaded back in? No way. Guys, guys, don't use that
I'm
hand.
fucking
Use this hand because that hand will get very tired. Very. No way. Ooh. I can see the underground area. I might take a while because I can't edit the parts out. You might think my editing is good. It ain't that good.
Move! Oh my fucking gosh, bro, I fucking hate you. I hate myself. I really hate myself.
Yep, back now. Let's go back.
You're about to make me fall. Bro, I hate No!
This is man just. I'm making it. I swear. Let me just follow these quick tutorials.
If you actually even make it. Bro, guys.
2 hits. Oh my! Oh, I got an itch. I got an itch. Oh no. An itch cannot fail me. If it does, I'm gonna be demonstrated. Am I supposed to have 2 hands in?
I don't know. I've never done it. I've only done it once. I've made it too. I've made it inside of it. I've made it inside of the vents or the place. I've made it inside of here. I have.
Yeah. So how do you do it? Like, what's the path?
I don't know. Like, you know that place where you jump up and then you're in that zero gravity zone?
Yeah.
Like, I fell down and died, but I spawned like under the ground right here.
Okay.
And nothing was like loaded in, and I made it through.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna try this again. So that's just a quick tutorial how to get outside the map. I'm just saying you could try it.
Yeah, I don't know how I did that.
You could try to use it. That's a quick tutorial how to get outside the map. You can make it into there. It's just really hard. So hope you guys had a good time.
How do you guys?
And I'll see you guys.